Hello there YouTube, this is me Silverwitson again with another review, and this time it is the series 3, I can't say it right, series 3, Monstrous Nightmare, and this is the purple edition. I have the package back here, you can see it says Sauce, just like the first one, so it's just supposed to fly just like the first one. But let's take a closer look on him. It's just as the series 2 one, it's well detailed and it's real cool. It has a cool pose, I think. Cool flying pose, as you see. The main color is purple, as you see, and then it's yellow here, brown yellow on the stomach, on the chest and on the tail, and on the neck here and on the chin. And then the spikes here, they're orange, and that's really cool because it's kind of looking like fire, and I think that's really cool. But anyway, this one is basically the same figure as the series 2 one. So it's just the same figure in different colors, just like the Deadly Nada was. But that's still cool. I think it's cool because then you can have some different Monstrous Nightmare, different dragons of the species. So you can have more than one and in a different color. So I think that's cool. And so like you don't have to color it yourself, paint it yourself. But let's take the series 2 one. We have it right here. I have it right here. It's exactly the same figure as you see, right? You can see it. It's the same, but that's just cool. And I think the purple is a really cool color. The orange one is real cool too, but the purple one is also cool, very cool. If you move down the head, the wings move, but you can also just lift and lower it in the air, just like that, and then it's flying. And that's pretty cool. The tail is bendable, just like the first one, and the neck is too. And the head, you can close the mouth a bit, but not much. And the legs are bendable. So that's real cool toy. And it comes with this instruction manual, just like the other ones, and in the same form, same kind of package, just like all of the others. So, and when you get it in the package, you have to put the wings on and the tail. So yeah, it's not a big deal. It's maybe the tail is a bit hard, but the wings wasn't a big deal. The orange one was actually harder to put together. It's different, but I do not think that it's easy snap on any of them, because they are writing here on the package easy snap, and it's not easy snap on many of them, so that's kind of pissing me off. But anyway, I got them together after all. So he's really cool, well detailed, really look like in the film, and he's have a good size. They all have a good size, those figures, so they're really cool. So if you're a How to Train Your Dragon fan, then definitely pick this guy up because he's amazing. He is just a cool dragon. He have a huge wingspan and a long tail. I think that's really cool, and he's just really cool. He's supposed to be the evil and aggressive dragon, and he also looks pretty pissed off and aggressive in his face, so that's just amazing. So definitely go look for him because he's worth it. And yeah, thank you for watching this review, and go check out some other reviews if you like this one. I have many different reviews, and you can go check it out yourselves. And please rate this review up if you like it, and add a comment if you want, but please no mean comments, because yeah, you can figure it out yourself. It's not nice getting them. So anyway, thank you for watching. Yeah, I have already said that, I keep saying it again and again, but it really means a lot to me that you watch my videos. It's just thank you, and take care, and bye.